If you spend much time in the kitchen, you know that sharp knives make food preparation much easier, faster, and safer. So a few years ago, my family was unhappy with our knives and we were looking to upgrade. These are about 10 years old. They're pretty cheap, nothing special about them. But we realized that, even really nice knives still need to be sharpened. So let's try a knife sharpener first and just see what it can do with the old knives. And this knife sharpener has become our most used favorite kitchen gadget. So the way it works is you have 3 different levels and you have a left and a right side for each one. So if your knife is pretty dull, you may need to start on number 1 and pull through it maybe even 20 times on each side. And same thing with 2 and 3. But if the knife is pretty sharp, then maybe only once is all you need. So we'll walk through it here and I'll show you how it works. So for a chef's knife like this, you want to pull through it over about 7 or 8 seconds. And if we check the blade on it, what we're really looking for here is a little glint of light at the end of the edge. And what that is the burr that it puts. And that burr means that the 2 sides of the blades have come together into a point, and you're ready to go on to the next step. Again, on the edge, we're looking for just that fine glint of light there at the very end. And once we go through the honing stage, you can see that little glint on the end is gone. And that's what makes for a really sharp knife. If we do the old paper test here, you can see that I just barely lay the knife on the edge and it just slices right through. So nice and sharp and ready to go for its next use. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check this out, and I hope you enjoy yours as much as we enjoy ours.